Well, what you're looking at is an epoxy terrazzo floor that was done approximately 5 months ago by a contractor that had put down a guard product, and the airport asked us to come in and fix the floor. We went ahead and applied the Simix product. What's amazing about this floor that you're looking at is with the 3,000 people a day coming in and out of the airport, that this floor is only currently being cleaned twice a week with the Simix cleaner.
Simix coating replaces your acrylic floor finish. With Simix, you will never strip again, but Simix floors stay cleaner longer. Please email us or give us a call.